Hello YouTube, how's everybody? Another nice day to work on your guns, and I got my out right here. This is the one I showed you yesterday. It's a 1938 made Mosin Nagant 91/30. It's 82 years old. Yesterday I cleaned off the cosmoline, but then I found out, as well as I was cleaning the inside, I found out that this thing, the break-free powder blast gun cleaner, if it touches your stock, it will strip away the varnish. Look at this. I use it to clean gun a lot, but don't let it get onto your gun stocks. Most times it's okay, but sometimes it will strip away your finish. Look at this. So I was thinking about refinishing this stock before. Now I have to, I guess. So I'm going to try it first to see if the finish will rub off with this. Because if it does, I guess I don't have to buy a stripper to get rid of the finish. So I got this powder blast. I'm gonna spray some here. Look at that. Look at that, it's coming off. Look at that. Look at that. Faster than varnish strip. Look at that. Don't let that happen to your guns now. Don't let that happen to your guns. Look at this. Man, no wonder. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to take this gun apart and take the metal off and strip it using this perfect gun stock stripper right here. Break-free powder blast gun cleaner. Blast away fouling residue, oil and grease buildup, and your varnish too. Okay. Well, now I have to refinish my stock. So I got my barrel taken out. Take out only this is only the wooden part. I'm going to start stripping the finish off of the original stock, like I already started. Using the best stock stripper, break-free powder blast gun cleaner. You will blast away your metal wood stock finish also. Okay, let's start doing it. Okay, just a few scrubs, light scrubs, using a scouring pad with powder blast. I was able to get most of the finish off very easily. So let's work on the gun. See, just a spray, the splashes on the spray that did that. See that? Just a spray. When I'm spraying it. Did that already. Wow, just 15 minutes of spraying this and rubbing it off. I was able to get most of the finish off. It's almost ready for sanding and application of a new varnish. Look at that. Look at that. This can be wiped off again. Just work in small sections, you know, using that spray and just start to rub it off. Now for hard spots like these, you can just rub it over with the finger. Just go like that, right? Put that on there and then rub it off with the finger. It even clean out the metal. Look at that. Wow. I'm going to get some fine sandpaper, sand it. Look how nice that looks. Didn't take much time at all. No water, no soap, no easy off, no oven cleaner. Now if you get some on your work table, well, right away also wipe off. If you get some on your work table, wipe it off too. So when you wipe off the varnish, once you put it on, wipe it off pretty quick, because once it dry, it will be stuck on again. So it dries pretty quick. So put it on wet, wipe it off. If it's a tough spot, then you use your finger to do this. Rub it like that. Rub it. I'm gonna probably go back, do a little bit more. This area, like this area, rub it. And then I'll go get the sandpaper. So I'm gonna let it dry it out in the sun while I go to Home Depot or Lowe's, buy some fine silk, fine sandpaper, and then the varnish stain. Pretty happy with that. Minimal work. Didn't take long at all. Just let it sun dry a little bit. It's dry, but you know, let the sun make it even drier. So now I'm just going to sand it with number 400 sandpaper.